Hello, this is Anand Maligwad. I am from Bangalore and I am trying to restore Bangalore lakes. As of now, in 3 years' time, I started this journey from 2016. Within 4 years' time, I could able to rejuvenate about 9 lakes. My dream is by 2025, I am planning to rejuvenate about 25 lakes, which are 25% of the Bangalore total lakes. I am from one of the place called Karmudi, which is a North Karnataka's one of the tiny village where I born. And also my more experience about lake is if I see the seed, I can talk about the tree of it. Reason is I born in a lake more than my government school. That is how I know little bit about lakes and ecology and biodiversity. I seen Bangalore from 1996. In just 15 feet, we used to get a crystal clear water in Bangalore. Over a period of time, unplanned urbanization is taken place, and over a period of time, Bangalore, all the lakes have been destroyed. And end of the day, lakes are lungs of the earth, where they restore the water to the aquifers. And when we got a pipeline water system, we forgotten our lakes. Lakes were Bangalore drinking water habitats, whereas Bangalore is a lake city. One fine day when I was driving in the lake bed and I was thought that why don't I restore this lake and it will become a model lake so that surrounding borewells can be recharged. This is how plan came, and over a period of 2016 to 2017 I did a lot of research about lakes. I visited more than 180 lakes across the Bangalore, and finally I chosen the lake which is Kalisnadi Lake, which is about 36-acre lake, which I could able to rejuvenate in less than 1 crore, less than 45 days. Today it is Bangalore's one of the best ecological lake where you can drink the water and feel the taste of it. Over a period of time, because of a lot of people started getting inspired out of it, and they started supporting me and they started approaching me that why don't you revive more lakes. That is how journey started, and last 3 years time we could able to rejuvenate about 9 lakes. End of the day, now we have also formed, not only I am rejuvenating lake, I wanted to have more thousands of people to revive the lake, because Karnataka itself have about 36,800 lakes. And as per the BBC World Report, and they have identified about 21 cities will go drought. Now, to recover, to cover, to rejuvenate all 21 cities, we have formed a Lake Revivers Collective across the country, and we have a lot of like-minded corporates, like-minded volunteers, nature lovers. Together, we are planning to revive by 2025 more than like hundreds of lakes across the country. And it is not only my responsibility, it is your responsibility who consume the water in this planet. So we should not consume and go off, and we should leave it for our next generation. Let's restore our lake and our stepwells as well as rivers and oceans, so that there will be good quantity of water for the next generation. And a lot of people joined hands with me in terms of volunteers, corporates, in fact media, and a lot of corporates. They recognize me with a lot of national, international level awards, whereas it is a byproduct of my hard work. In fact, my whole idea is that not only I get recognized, like me, thousands of people should come forward and do the good job for the Mother Earth, and also they should get recognized well. So our body has 70% of the water, even our planet has 70% of the water. So if you just check, we are also wildlife people only. We thought that because of we have come to urban areas and somewhere out and we are separate, wildlife is separate. No, out of 80 crore species of any life, we are one among them. So whole idea is everything is required water. Then when water is there, then there is a forest. When there is a forest, then there is a wildlife. So whole life, I will going to work for, like water, forestation and wildlife, as well as my message to young India that, so all please join me, your hands, and or you can start your individually and see that let's put back our green planet, so that there is another lakhs together years of life is there. Then next lakhs together years we will going to keep this planet very cool and green. That is my message to the young India.